So here's the symptom with the National 125. I have a station tuned in. As I bring up the volume, it swells, and then at the very end it picks up. And I also hear distortion in that audio. So here is the cause. Alright, so anytime I have a weird swooping action of a volume control, the first thing I do is check for DC voltage on that volume control. So here we're on the high side of the volume control. You see we have about 28 volts. So I'm going to turn up the AF gain and watch the meter. When I go full volume, it dies down to 3 volts. But we still have 28 volts on a control that should have 0. Let's see if we can find the source. So I'm measuring the voltage on the capacitor that comes off of V7, which is the audio preamp tube, and this line feeds the volume control. Let's check the other side of that cap. This is the other side of the cap, which is the plate of that 6SL7. You see we have 121 volts. So I obviously have leakage through that capacitor. This is C55, and there's another one, C54, going to the plate on the other triode. I'm going to change both and we'll retest. Capacitor C55 has been replaced. And then the other one I'd like to replace is C54, and he's buried down here under the wire harness. Alright, I replaced that capacitor. Here is the side that goes to the volume control, and here is the plate of the tube. So you can see that leakage voltage is gone. So let's see how the AF gain responds now.
In John 3, and Nicodemus, he was only begotten Son when he went to the cross. He was the only one. Begotten.
Nice linear operation, no distortion. Well, here's the 2 caps I replaced, and you can see there's many more in this radio. So to ensure a long life, the best approach would be to change all the caps. If you need a complete cap kit for your classic ham radio, see hayseedhamfest.com.
De culpabilidad. Lo sé, pero no puedo hacer nada. Ya están muertos.
Always something tearing up, already jumping over you. You don't want to put switches in
WLTV from the Calendar Guide, a great resource for everyone committed to honoring Yahweh on His holy day.
Michigan's oldies, 102.7.